Ever wish you could break down your big Costco hauls into budget-friendly bites? Well, the secret to making your bulk purchases more manageable is here using Klarna at Costco. While Costco doesn't directly integrate Klarna at their checkout registers, the magic happens through the Klarna app itself first. Browse Costco.com for the items you want. Once your virtual cart is brimming with those fantastic bulk buys, open your Klarna app. Now, here's the clever trick within the Klarna app. You'll need to search for and purchase a Costco digital shop card. Yes, that's right, Klarna allows you to split the cost of this digital shop card into those convenient smaller installments, just like any other Klarna purchase. Once your Klarna payment for the digital shop card is approved and processed, the digital shop card will be delivered to your email or directly in the Klarna app. You can then use this digital shop card at Costco.com for your online orders or even in store at the physical checkout by scanning the barcode from your phone. This method empowers you to split large Costco expenses into manageable payments, easing the burden on your wallet and enhancing your overall shopping experience. Now go conquer those Costco aisles.